Hello and welcome to another TV box review on iWeek phone. The Beelink GT1-A is a new Android TV box from which we present a review today. When it comes to the design of GT1-A, Beelink has followed a similar trend to the packaging by keeping the GT1-A to a nice and simple design. The box is square like other Android boxes and it's quite small. The device however feels much more sturdy than a lot of the other media players out there. The box definitely feels more premium than other on the market today. The Beelink GT1-A is constructed high quality black and grey plastic with port located around the sides of box. On the top of the box, this is the pattern similar to that of carbon which look nice with the Beelink logo printed on top. The Beelink GT1-A maintains the design of the ultimate version and has a classic plastic box with the logo on top. On the front we have a bright white LED. At the connector level we have two USB 2.0 port. Also we have HDMI 2.0 connector up to 4K 60 FPS. We have a very simple command and it serves to perform the basic function. If we press the microphone button, we can use Google Analysis or any specific search for app like YouTube or Netflix for the command. As for power, the Beelink GT1-A has a very good result in the line of the new SoC Amlogic S912 quad-core with ARM Cortex A53 processor and Mali G31 MP2 GPU. The GT1-A comes with a new Beelink Android 8.1 launcher which looks great. The launcher is very easy to navigate and look great when displayed on a large TV. This is a device that moves smoothly thanks to the powerful SoC Amlogic S912. In terms of connectivity, we have a Wi-Fi AC adapter with the internal antenna and we have also a good network speed that to its GB Ethernet port that allowed us get the most of our local files. If you want to purchase a Beelink GT1-A is now available on the Gearbest for just $79.99 on a Play Store. That's the review of Beelink GT1-A from iWeek phone. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.